I mean, maybe on the scale of a couple hundred years, yes, everything we're doing now will be irrelevant. But in the next generation, I would think of AI as more as like a research assistant, if like a fancy calculator, but then ultimately a research assistant. 400 years ago, best mathematicians in the world, they were by hand producing lists of prime numbers and then trying to extract from that patterns. For example, I think Gauss was making these charts and helped develop the prime number theorem through his data. So, okay, so if he had lived in the time of calculators, he would have already been able to generate those lists much more efficiently. That doesn't mean his insights about the pattern wasn't useful, but it would just outsource some of the more nitty gritty computations, which in any case is not where the fundamental creativity lies in the research. So I'm excited for AI. I think if I'm trying to solve kind of a side calculation or something like that, I can imagine ChatGPT being useful for that over time. I thus far haven't been able to find much use for it, just because the questions I ask it, I guess it doesn't have enough data to kind of be helpful at the moment. But I expect that will change within, the reasonable horizon. But I don't think it will replace mathematicians, but it will shift the industry. But I'm prepared and excited for how those shifts will happen.